Every street in Pretoria must be occupied. We cannot guarantee the safety of business on that day, and therefore will advise them to shut down their businesses, because it's now time for South Africans to take action. The protest action on the 2nd of November 2016 will be unapologetically demanding the following: that the South African government must provide free quality education at higher education from 2017 onwards, that Jacob Zuma must immediately step down as a president and head of state in South Africa, that Guptas must be disconnected from all state contracts and must immediately leave South Africa. Shaun Abrahams, the NDPP of Zuma, must immediately step down from the National Prosecuting Authority. The EFF has also submitted an application for a protest action in Tshwane and has been approved. On the 2nd of November, all South Africans must gather in Tshwane to protect South Africa's hard-won democracy and political freedom. All South Africans must move from their comfort zone. They must stop tweeting from their bedrooms and from their comfort dining rooms and lounges and come to the picket lines. We all have an obligation to defend the legacy of Nelson Mandela. We all have a responsibility to defend the democratic state. All those who care and all those who see that South Africa is disappearing right in front of our eyes must come out and say enough is enough. We'll do everything in our power to stop Zuma from continuing with shenanigans with the Guptas.